Okay, back to the journaling making. I figured I'd show you some journaling stuff since that is my name, obviously. I have this recycled Amazon package. I got something in the mail the other day. And this is what I do to them. I turn them into junk journal covers. So I have a piece of fabric. For video purposes, I had already cut everything to size, basically, so that way I don't take up too much time on here. But I'm going to show you how I turn this envelope into a journal. So stick around, and I'm going to fast forward it so you can see a lot more in this video. Right now I'm going to sew the fabric on. I got my fabric laid down, this Pretty Bee fabric. I'm going to lay the envelope there. I'm going to tuck in the sides like this. And take a piece of scrapbook paper and put it over top just like that. And I'll be right back. I'm going to sew it. There you go. A journal cover from an Amazon package envelope. So what I'll do next is I'll go ahead and, I already have the signatures done here. I have 2 signatures. I have a bunch of papers, different papers I made, book pages, coffee dyed paper, and so on. What I'll do next is I'll take the paper and fold it all in half, like this. And put my sewing machine on the regular stitch and run up the stitch. Let's put it on the regular one. I'll put this one in here. I went ahead and sewed one in, see? I don't have enough time to show you the second, but that's basically an Amazon package envelope that comes in the mail. Now it's a journal.